Hello, family. I am staying in Washington, D.C. in an Airbnb for a weekend, and this is my first time staying in an Airbnb. So, what did I think? Well, I have to give you the lowdown. It is not like staying in a hotel. There is no turn down service. The owners expect you to treat the house as you would your own house. So if you are not as clean, they do have some rules for you to follow. When you are leaving here, they want you to put up the trash. They want you to make sure the dishes are put away in the dishwasher. They want you to make sure that you are leaving the place presentable. They want to make sure that your linens, your washcloths and your towels are put in the appropriate place so that they can do laundry when they get a chance. And so you may have different rules from different people based upon where your Airbnb is, but just don't expect it to be like a hotel room. You don't have the freedom and the liberty just to throw your towel on the floor and leave it there, thinking that eventually when you leave, somebody will take care of it. You're supposed to be able to take care of things of that nature by yourself, and you leave it presentable so that when they come, the place is not in a mess. So I just want to premise this by saying that. And so everybody's requirements may be different. When you're booking the Airbnb, right away they will let you know how to get into the place. Different places have it where it may be a key in a drop box. This particular home has different keypads, which I'm sure they change from person to person. And so therefore they give you the numbers to get into the front door, and then the door coming into the apartment itself is also a different keypad that you have to punch in, and this information is given to you by email. You have constant contact with the owners if there's any problems, and good hosts will give you that presence of feeling comfortable, constant contact, even if they do not live in the state or the city where your Airbnb is. And so this particular place had a set of rule books, emails, directions on where to park, specific instructions of things to follow. They said no loud music, no loud talking after certain hours of the night. And so there are restrictions when it comes to staying in an Airbnb, certain freedoms that you may have at a hotel, or maybe not the freedoms that you have by staying in an Airbnb. And they will give you the guidelines as to why they don't want, like particularly in this place, they have some professionals. They don't only rent it out as an Airbnb. They have professionals that live in this this house. This It's a 3 family or 4 family, 5 family house, whatever it is. But in this building, they have professionals that live here. This is their home. They may work on the weekends. It was so many different specific instructions of what to follow. So I'll just let you know about that. And so I want to show you the accommodations. As I said, I have friends that's staying here with me, so I won't show their rooms, but I want to show you my accommodations and the public area. And so kind of like what you can expect. Obviously, you have to do your research. The problem we had with this particular place is that it had multiple levels. And then when you have multiple levels with luggage, it can be difficult. And so that was something that next time if we come together we would not want to have. You'd want to have something that is one level, or if it's more than one level, not the amount of levels. I'm on the second level, and it took steps to get to this second level and more steps before you get to even the third level. So if you have issues, mobility issues, there is no elevator here. And so therefore, as I'm saying, it's not like a hotel. There's no elevators here to go from one level to the next level. So you just have to be mindful of that, especially depending on how much luggage you have. Some people pack light, some people pack heavy. So You have to be aware of that when you're looking at Airbnb. So let me show you this room. I'm going to show you the accommodations that I have here, and I think it's a great size room. And I will show you also the common areas that we share, like the living room, the kitchen, the laundry area. And so you could kind of get a feel of what you can get when you do an Airbnb. What is the benefit of an Airbnb, especially when you have multiple people? We thought that it was cheaper than us doing individually hotel rooms, but you have to do your research. If there's a hotel room that is cheaper, obviously, if you have it where you can probably use your points or things of that nature, then go with the hotel. But we felt that in looking at hotels in this area for this weekend, it would have been more expensive if we stayed in our own individual hotel rooms than if we just came together, shared the expenses, and stayed in this Airbnb together. Let me take you around and you can let me know what you think about this room, the accommodations, um, and we go from there. Before I take you around and show you the Airbnb, family, can you do me a favor? Can you like, comment, and subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will really help my channel. And guess what, family? It is free of charge. It does not cost you anything to do so. Starting from the front door, right away to the right are these big closets. So a lot of space in here to be able to put something at top, and also look at all this space in here so that you could put something in it, your luggage or whatever it is that you need to do. A lot of space in this particular room. That's one closet. Coming to the left is the bathroom. Stand-in shower, so no bath. Shower head. They provide you with those conditioner, shampoo, and body wash. So those are provided for you. Here is where you'll find the toilet separate. This is the counter. A lot of counter space, as you can see. There's places you can charge your phone or anything in here. Now under here, they provide you with towels and rags. On top is additional rags as well in that corner. They also provide you with some lotions and soap, hand soap. So they provided everything that you needed. So very hotel-like in that manner, where they provide you with soaps and shampoo and conditioner. Very hotel-like in that manner. When we leave out of here, straightway, this room has another set of doors. This particular place provided you with a fan, additional bedding, pillows. The hangers are in here. There's a waste basket in here as well. So another big closet. Here we're coming into now the living space, the bedroom where the bed is. On each side, you will find just some places from storage on each side of the bed. Beautiful bed. All that on the bed is what they had when I came in the room. They provide you with your clock. There's a USB within the clock itself. 2 lamps. This little seat right in front of the bed. There is a ceiling fan. More storage over here. Now, as I said with the restrictions, look at this sign. No eating or drinking in this room. So, while some things may be hotel-like, other things are not. There are restrictions placed upon you when you are in Airbnbs. This is what I'm using for my little desk and a great size TV. Here is a standing mirror for you to use as well. This particular room has also an outside area. Let me take you outside for a little bit. So this is the outside patio, you can call it. It has 2 chairs and a table. The scenery is not much. You'll see the back of houses, so the scenery is not much, and you'll see the road. They have provided for us a parking space. So one of my friends did drive, so she has a parking space, so that's good as well. So back in the room, just give you just a full view of what the room looks like in its entirety. Once again, so nice room. I love this room. Now let me show you some of the common areas. Now this place provided you with laundry, so if you want to be able to wash your clothes before going home, here's your laundry. This is the waste basket that they expect you to put all of your dirty towels and everything in according to the instructions. There is an iron, and there is also an ironing board. Right outside my room door are these 2 seats just to be able to relax. There is a lamp. And so this is very nice area. It's almost like a little tiny, I guess, maybe living room space. That would be for me. Here's another desk that if you want to use a desk with chairs to just stay out here, just a different place from just being in your room. And here's a clock and another little table. So the next place to show you would be the last common area, the living room and the kitchen. As promised, this is the living room and the kitchen, the common areas where we share. Nice sized kitchen, modern appliances, places for us to sit down. Here is a table that we can sit and eat. Also the living room, 2 couches, also and a big screen TV. And so this is how the place looks. Common area. It is a beautiful apartment. This is a beautiful place for us to sit and stay and enjoy each other's company during this weekend trip. So what do you think about the place? As I said, it's a nice sized place. I think that Airbnb has its pros and cons, and I think that this was the best option for us since it was 4 of us and it was more economical. So you have to make sure that it may be more economical, but the things that you may like in a hotel experience you will not get. And they're requiring you to do things that you would not have to do in a hotel. And you have to obey by their rules. That's the thing. And so if you're somebody who just wants to have a free vacation where you're free and to be able to do what you want, leave the towels on the floor and do all those things and just go about your business, then maybe an Airbnb may not be for you. And so hope you like this video. Just some things that I'm giving you to just think about before getting an Airbnb. And so until next time, happy travels.